welcome back to my channel. SimplySubrena here. If you are new here, definitely make sure you subscribe. If you're already part of the fam, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Okay guys, so today I'm here with another U-part wig review, and this one by far is the best. I feel like this is what you guys wanted or have been asking for ever since I posted the last U-part wig that I have. So I did listen to y'all, and I'm not even gonna lie, I've been wanting a unit like this for a really long time. Like a professionally made U-part unit that is very similar to my texture, which this is more than very similar. This is exactly like my texture. Like, this unit is perfect. So I will go over all of the wig details throughout the video so this intro isn't too long, and as always, links will be in the description box if you're interested, so definitely make sure you check that out. Also, there is a discount code for y'all. A girl got hooked up. So there is a discount code down below, so if you're interested in trying out this unit, then go ahead, save you some coins. But yeah, y'all, I am so friggin' in love. Like, I'm going to Mexico in a couple of days and I cannot wait to slay.
Okay, you guys, so this U-part wig is from NiaWigs. The packaging is so cute. On the back, it has a cute little saying about beauty. Again, this is like the cutest package I have ever received for extensions. Like, they did that with the packaging. Like, I literally didn't want to throw the box away. So when you order a unit from NiaWigs, you will get this very cute easy detangler brush. It's like this metallic pink and blue, like, you know, reflective one. It's so cute, and I really did want one of these, and this is really good. It doesn't rip your hair out. I've been using it and I love it. So your unit is going to come in this silk case from NiaWigs, and I believe they do have the beauty saying on this as well, so you can store your units in this, and your unit comes in a little plastic bag, and it also comes in a hairnet.
Okay, you guys, so my hair is already braided. I did get a right side part, so I have my leaf out here, and then the rest of my hair is braided, and I kind of like braid it all up so you guys can see what it is. And this is my leave out area. So this is the unit. Let me show you guys off of my head. So this is what it comes like. So you'll cut these two out, which I need to go get a scissors because I don't have one. Again, I do have it in a right side part, so this is how it goes. And on the inside where your part is, you can see it has this five comb clips, or wig clips if you want to call them. So your wig is going to be very secure. And on the side, because it's this way, right? Yeah, so then on the sides you have the two sliding combs. You also have one in the back, and it has the drawstrings as well. So this unit is going to be very secure, and as you can see, the wefting in it. So it's nicely, what I was gonna say, structured. It's nicely made. And you guys, the hair, this is my hair straightened. Like, the texture of it, it's so natural, so realistic. Like, this is legit my hair. Like, I'm so excited for this unit. I've been waiting for a unit like this my whole life. Like a true realistic, like, everyday go hair. So I kind of want to show you the texture up close. So again, this is the Yaki straight wig. So it's like minimal texture that you can see versus like the full-blown Yaki textured hair. It literally is just like natural hair straightened. The feel is amazing. Like, it has the natural feel of natural hair, but it's still like soft, you know. It doesn't have like a very coarse texture or anything like that. And also I can tell by the texture, it's one of those hair, because I am going on vacation. I'm going to Mexico in a couple days. I could tell it's that hair that even when it gets wet, it doesn't stay soaking wet for a long time. It probably dries very quick, so I need that for vacation. I can turn my flat iron on too. I'm gonna like lightly run it through. I feel like I don't have to flat iron a lot, but I need to flat iron my hair, and I'm gonna lightly run the flat iron through. So, and I really love this little Tangle teaser brush they sent. It's so cute too. So, and I've already brushed this hair once, and it was only like a couple strands, not a lot. I didn't take them out of the brush, but it's my second time brushing it. So yeah, everyday shedding. All right, so get my leave out the way. And I opened up all of the combs. And as you can see, part of my braid section, so this is my leave out, and I did make a smaller braid going around to attach the combs on, so it's just easier. So I'm gonna attach the combs. Okay, so here we are. Everything is clipped in. Whew. Okay, so everything's clipped in and secure up there. And you can see how it's made. So it's gonna be really easy to blend your hair in. There's no wig caps or anything like that. So I'm just gonna go in for extra security and slide the comb into my braids. I may have put mine more to the side than it was originally made for, now that I'm feeling it out, but it's okay. This hair feels so good. I cannot get over it, and I love the thickness of it. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take my leave out, flat iron my leave out, flat iron the hair, and just put it all together. So this is the finished product of the hair, and what do you guys think? Y'all have to love this. There's no way you cannot love this. Like, this is by far, hands down, the best U-part wig that I've ever had. The texture is so on point, it's so natural, it's so realistic. Like, this is my go-to. This is my go-to. Like, this is my true hair goal. This is what I want my natural hair to look like. Like, what? This is perfection. It really is. Like, I have no qualms whatsoever. I'm so happy that it was pre-dyed, so I didn't have to dye it myself. Like, this hair is just, it's everything. I love this. Like, I cannot wait to like try it out with wand curls. I know typically Yaki straight hair, or not even Yaki straight, but I think just Yaki hair or coarse textured extensions typically kind of suck when it comes to like curling or holding a curl, but I'm gonna figure something out because this hair is too beautiful. I have to be able to be versatile with it. That's the whole point. So if you guys want like a curling styling tutorial video for this hair, then definitely let me know. But y'all, like, should have done my edges on this side, but you know, whatever. Okay, so that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you like this unit, if you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.